Okay, now it started. Um, okay, Sahil, tell me what is your doubt?
Hello, sir. Myself Sahil.
Okay,
Uh, but previously videos I am not seeing. Just one demo I saw that Mohan sir sent me.
okay. Once again, I will rewind the concepts and all. And
Okay, sir.
okay, it's fine for you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second, I will check my screen.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a like genuine experience, 8 years of experience in 4 years experience in C development, C Linux networking, and 4 years manual testing experience.
Okay.
So my current package is 15 lakhs. So can I try having this after this course, putting 4 years of experience, and can I try?
So, do you have how many years of experience do you have?
Yeah, I have 8 years of experience.
Okay, yeah, 8 years of experience in manual testing, right?
No, 4 years manual testing and 4 years development, C development.
C development
Yeah.
in automotive domain or any other?
No, networking actually. Linux and networking protocol development, L2, L3 protocol development, like that.
Okay, yeah, yeah, it's fine for you. And you already know about networking concepts, right?
Yeah.
And do you have any test plan set up in networking?
No, test plan actually that networking side I have development experience.
Okay. And most
Yeah,
probably same manual testing here also using. Like
yeah,
you will be test what are the test scenarios have you used in the concepts and everything will be same here also. We are also testing the code which will be flashed under the embedded system. The if the code has been flashed in under the system, what are the functionalities will be enabled upon that code? Those functionalities we are testing here also. Same concepts. Okay, how the STLC cycle will be there, how the STLC and SDLC both cycles are same in the manual testing here also. And also like one more thing I need to add, you have already C language, right? Then it is also easy for to develop the state the C and embedded C has some minor changes. Regarding that, 90% will be same C language. Embedded C is equal to 90% of C language. Okay, then it
yeah,
might be better for you also.
yeah. That's why actually I joined. This is almost similar to my profile. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, suppose
Then
if yeah
and
after
then like how you need to provide your profile in the Naukri around 4 years of experience have you worked under the testing relevant thing as in we are teaching right manual testing and automation testing by using Capel scripting. Those things you need to mention in your resume. After that, you have very good knowledge on the C language, then you need to mention 4 years of experience in the C
yeah,
development. Okay, if you have less knowledge on the C, then you need to mention 2 years only. Remaining 6 years, you need to change into the three projects. One is database creation and changes of the configuration of Canoe. And second thing is automation testing, and third thing is verification and validation of ADAS. Like that, you need to mention that. Okay.
yeah,
When we are discussing at the resume building, that period of time, I will explain each and everything, how you need to mention and all. Okay.
yeah.
Is it
Okay.
fine, right?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, actually my package is like 15 lakhs. So will they give like same package or
No,
on top
like
of that they will give 30%?
to be frank, here in the embedded testing, like if you need to verify with your colleagues or like friends, or you can verify with the Naukri ambition box. Like I'm telling that here you will be get more package for the 8 years.
It is.
Okay.
Okay.
If you
Yeah.
have already 15, then you can demand on 20. 22 around. You will be get easy.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
But here the position will be changed here. They will be provide as a team lead like that.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
so you need to. I think you already carry any team in your organization.
Yeah, actually, I'm working in like Wipro, senior software engineer. So
Okay,
juniors are there. Yeah.
then
So
that
mostly,
much of experience you have, then you can utilize that chance. You will get easily team lead also.
yeah.
Okay, is it fine,
Means,
right?
yeah, this is new, right? So directly team
Yeah,
lead
yeah, yeah.
means,
It's a
yeah,
new, but what are the things have you done in the past as a manual testing and development? Same concepts here also we are teaching to you, and same thing will be there, but with the aspect of hardware. That's
yeah.
small difference.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, upon that, everything will be same.
Same. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
one point is there. I'm from a mechanical engineer. So is it easy to do testing or not, sir? That is
I
the
think
main
have you
doubt.
watched two demos? Because of I am also I am from the mechanical engineer. I already mentioned that point in the demo classes also.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm. The main thing is here you need to understand the each and every concept. First and second thing you need to progress and practice it and research it.
Yes,
Then you can share your resume in the Naukri. You will be get more calls. And now the now the situation in the will be little low. Next 2 months or 3 months, the situation will be very better in automotive domain also. That period of time, our course, content, everything will be completed. You will
yes,
be
sir.
you will be get easy calls also.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah. And I will just share my screen. If it is visible, just raise your hand. I think it's visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
First thing, our first lesson will be started from the what is embedded systems, and in the embedded systems we have some major concept is number system. After that, we will I will explain the how the embedded systems will be there and what are the classification of embedded systems will be available, and what is the difference between hardware and software, how we are integrating the software into the system, and what is the processors architectures and memory types and peripherals. Those and all after we can discuss. First of all, we need to discuss the number system because of embedded system will be take only binary digits. Okay, every laptop also it will be take binary digits only. So how that we are how we are sending any message most probably in the embedded system, in the automotive domain, particularly in the automotive domain, I'm telling about that. Particularly in the automotive domain, we are transferring hexadecimals. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Voice is breaking, sir.
Oh, okay. Now it's
Yeah.
better, right? Hello.
Yeah, for me, it's okay, sir. It's better only.
Oh, okay, okay. And coming to the numbering systems, we have the four different types of numberings. One is a decimal number, another one is binary number, octal number, hexadecimal numbers. Okay, these are the four numbering systems will be available for us. In the four numbering systems, we have the base for decimals. Like decimals will be start from the 0 to and end with the 9. This base value is 10. And coming to the binary numbers, it has a base value is 2 and those two is 0 or 1. 0 or 1. Coming from the octal, it has the 8 base value, and it will be start from the 0 to 7. And it is hexadecimal. In the hexadecimal, it has a base value is 16 numbers will be there, and 16 numbers will be started from 0 to 9 and A to F. A to F. Okay, and I will show you the one thing. Here we have the already I given as an 16 numbers, 0 to 15. These are all the 16 numbers will be available. Like in the decimals, 15 after 16, 17, 18 will be go on. But coming to the octal, here also, here the n number is 7. Again, here also 7, right? Then it will be started 20, 21, 22, 23. Like that, it will be increase. Okay. And from the hexadecimal, already it started F, right? After it will be start 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 1A, 1B, 1C, like it will be go. Okay. These are the decimal values, hexadecimal, octal. And by coming to the binary values, it's 0 or where. But these values we can change into the binary. That is the conversions. Okay. In the binary conversions, 1 second, I will show you one tabular, one concept. It's visible, right? The notepad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
First of all, for the decimal values, I will remove this thing. We'll repeat once again, or I will explain here only. Like for the decimal too, I'm converting into the binary. For an example, if you provided any element like a decimal value, I will be provide 8. Then how the system will be taken it in 8 value? How the system will be take 8 value? Okay, the 8 value conversion is the main thing for the hexadecimal to binary. It will be like 2 power 0 to 2 power 0 to and so on 0 to 2 power n. 2 power n. This means like if you have the number of value, like for an example, you have the 8 or 9, okay, 8 or 9 or 10 or 11, these type of values, right? You can convert into the 2 power. You can convert into the 2 power. For an example, if you have the value is 9, for an example, if you have the value is 9, then it need to convert into the 2 power 3 plus 1. 2 power 3 plus 1 means 2 into 2. 2 power 4, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, right? I will show you that thing also. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2. What is the value? It's 8, right? 8 plus 1, it's 9, right? Okay, that is the conversion of 9. Now you will get one value here. That is the n, and one more value here. That means if you need this value, you need to add here 2 power 3. 2 power 3. Here you can add 2 power 3, then you can write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Like this. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Okay, once you've done it, if you need to conversion into 9, right? This is the 9, right? 8. 8 is the highest limit here. If you observe, 8 is the highest limit. In the 8, you can write 1. And 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. That is the right. 2 power cube means 8 plus 1. I will put at the place of 1. This is the 1. This is the binary value for ninth value. This is the binary value for ninth value. At the remaining places, you need to mention zeros. Okay. If you like, if you need to write one more thing, the 10. 10. How you will be written the 10 value?
Like
2
8
power
plus
raised
1.
to 3.
Sorry?
2 power raised to 3 plus 2 power raised to 1.
2 power
Raised to 3 plus 2
3.
power raised to 1. And other will be
Yes.
0.
Plus and 2 power 1.
Raised to 1.
Now you can write binary value. Here 2 power 3 is 1, right?
8.
And at the place of 2 power 1, I will put as an 1. The remaining
1.
places you can mention as a 0. That is a binary value for 10th value.
Yes.
Okay. Have you got it right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. There
Okay.
is one thing. The values are raised to power in that will be the standard only, no? Means
Sorry?
it will be the standard value, no? Raised to
Yeah, yeah.
power. It's mandatory to write any conversion from decimal to binary.
Yeah, but
Yes.
for the decimal to binary only. From the
Okay. Okay.
we have the hexadecimal to binary concept also there. Most probably we are using hexadecimal only in the CAN-OE or CAN systems. Everything will be using. It is main thing for hexadecimal to binary. You need to understand more. And apart from, if you if you have for example, you can return the more values um 24. Okay, how you will be do this conversion? You can divide the 24 into with 2, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can divide the 24 into 2. For an example, first I divided with the 24 with 2. Then you how much you will get? 2 into 12, right? 2 into 12. Then again you can return 2 into 2, sorry, 2 into 2 into 6, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Then again you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And now the conversion will be happen 2 cube 2 power 3, sorry, 2 power 3 plus, and we have 3, right? We have 3, right?
Yes.
Then I will return 2 power 1 and plus, and remaining is 1, right?
1. Yeah.
Yeah. At these places, you need to write ones. At these places, you need to write ones. If the conversion will be increased, like for an example, I will provide 127. For an example, I will provide 127. The conversion will be increased from like 2 power 3 above. 2 power 3 above. How you will be write 127? You can divide it with
Raising
2,
the
right?
power, yes.
Yeah, you can. Sorry.
No, it's raising the power, no? 127 for.
It's raising the power. Like you can divide with
Okay,
2. First, you can divide it
okay,
with the 2.
okay.
2 into 2 into. For an example, it's 126. We can take it as a 126 plus 1,
Yeah.
right? You can write
64.
126 plus 1. You can write like this. Then now you can convert easily, right? 2 into.
Yeah.
What is the
64.
half of the 126? 63, right?
Yes, 63.
63. Yeah.
Yeah, 63 plus 1. That is called, right? Again, you got 2 into the 63 value is available right now. How
Yeah,
you will
again.
be convert this one?
62 plus 1, right? Like 2 into 32.
Yeah, 32. How you can return this one like 62 plus 1, right?
Yes.
Then again plus 1. That's it, right?
That's right.
62 plus 1, 63. Then 2 into 63, it will become as a 126. Then again you need to convert 2. Sorry, that's 2 into 2 into 31 plus 1
Plus 1.
plus 1. Like it will be go like this only. Again, we can convert this one into the plus 1, right? Then you can multiply the two values only. Okay. It will be go on so on. If you like, if you have the easy logic, I will tell you one more easy logic. Then how it will be, right? You can we have the 20 to 2n, right? You can directly return here. What is the 20 value? 1, right?
Yes.
1.
And I will return the second value is 2. For example,
Yeah. 2
2,
power 1 is
like
1.
2 power 1, right?
2 power 1.
The 2 power 4, 2, 4.
4.
4 2 jar 8.
Yes.
8 2 jar 16.
60.
16 2 jar 32. 32 2 jar
64.
64.
64.
64 2 jar
128.
128. Okay. Which value we needed? 127, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
127. Here already it reaches 128. At this between, we needed 127. How 127 will be happened? Our major value is 128. You can add this all the value. It will be become as an 127 only. 64 plus 32. How much?
96.
96, right? It's
Yes.
96, right?
Yes. Yes.
96
Yes.
plus 16.
122, I think.
No, 112, right?
112. Yeah. Sorry. 112.
120.
112 plus 8.
120.
120
120.
plus 4. 124. 124
124.
plus 2. 126. 126 plus 1.
127.
127, right? Then
Yeah.
what you need to do? Put all the zeros. And Sorry, put all the zeros, not it's. Put
all the
all
one.
the ones.
One.
Little confused.
Yeah, for 128 we can put all zeros.
We can put as an 0. And these thing you need to return in reverse mode. Okay, our bits will be distributed from the left to right, so that you need to write in the reverse mode. This is the binary value for 127. And tell me the binary value for 140. You can write the binary value for 140. Try yourself and give me the solution. Share me in the
Yeah, that is 00110001.
Sorry, can you share me in the chat box?
Yeah.
Like in this format. I told you,
Yes.
right? 2 power 7
Yes.
like that. You can
Yeah.
share me that format. Okay, how you written this thing?
Yeah, same only 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So we need 140, right? Means 128 plus 12. 12 means 8 plus 4. So 128, 8, 4 bits are 1, remaining all are 0.
Okay. Yeah. 128 plus 12, right? And
12.
we can return as an 8 plus 4, right?
8 plus 4, yes.
Oh, it's right. Okay, and you got it right, decimal to binary. Then we can go to the
Yeah, yeah.
hexadecimal to binary. Is it okay, right,
Yes, sir.
Sahil?
Ye- Yes, sir.
Have
Yes,
you
sir.
got it
Got
right?
it. Yes, yes, got it.
Okay. And then for the hexadecimal, it is also same concept, but we need to divide the digits here. How many digits will be available here? We need to divide and write same formula here, but we are using only 8421 only. 8421 means 2 power 0 to 2 power 3 only. That's the thing is enough for us. Why? Because we have only 15 digits. Sorry, 16 digits. 16 digits values only available in the hexadecimal values. So we are dividing every digit into the one binary like this. This is the one digit and this is another digit and this one is third digit. Every digit we need to convert into binary. For example, first we all get it 1, right? Then I will return 8421 here. At the place of 1, I will put 1 here. For the 4, at the 4 place, I put as an 1 here. And A, what is the A value? It's 10,
10.
right?
Yeah, 10.
I put as 8 place 1 and 2 places at 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, right? That's why I mentioned here. Okay. Mostly it's very important for hexadecimal to binary because of some interviewers will be asked arbitration field. In the most of the interviews will be asked arbitration field in CAN network. In the CAN network, how the arbitration will be work, everything. That period of time it's very important. Okay, I will discuss once again these concept in the arbitration field also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you got it right? These two concepts, the conversion of binary to sorry, decimal to binary and hexadecimal to binary.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next thing, can go to the next concept. What is embedded systems? Why we are using embedded systems in the real world? Okay. First of all, if you observe in your home, you can watch as a TV, fridge, washing machines. Everything will be depend upon the embedded systems. Okay. You are in the mobiles also. It is also a device, motherboards. You can call as a motherboards. That is also an embedded system. Okay, these systems why we are used in these particular situation, particular TV, washing machine, it will be communicate with the communicate and it will be perform specific functions or specific task. Main important. Okay, if you provide any particular task, like other, if you can provide observation from the sensors reading, like you need to read the temperature reading at the outside temperature. We have the sensor board and you are connected to the outside and you need to read it. Okay, that's you can show it. We can show as a virtual also. Okay, you can create or we can show those situations. We are using embedded systems. Okay, embedded systems are products designed with computational intelligence, like it is as an intelligence. It's like relevant to computer type of intelligence and interfaces to the physical environment to perform specific functions or specific tasks or specific tasks. These products are designed to meet a set of specified requirements. Like also, it will be used to design. You need to execute some particular functions or particular requirements thereby to provide solution to real world problems. Okay, most of these the computational intelligence in embedded systems refers to use microprocessors and microcontrollers or FPGA devices. FPGA devices. These three things will be the heart of the embedded systems. These three things will be as a heart of the embedded systems. I will show you some embedded boards once again. Yeah, this is one of the FPGA. Like it is also relevant to the microcontroller type. Okay, it is also as called as a microcontroller type only, but it will be integrated the program. It will be some operations will be do communicated with the device. That's why we are calling the FPGA. Okay, it's little bit different relevant to the microcontroller, but the microcontroller and FPGA will be same. It's only the pins will be differentiate in the microcontroller and FPGA. I will show you the microcontroller first. This is the microcontroller. Here we have the pins, right? These are the pins will be connected, and but in the FPGA it has the more pins and more processing will be happen. That is the difference. Apart from everything will be same. Everything will be same. We will discuss later regarding the FPGA. What is the FPGA and what is the microcontroller in deep in the programming section. Okay, and this is the microcontrollers, and I will show you the microprocessors. Microprocessors which will be used. This is the one of the processors. This will be used mostly in the mobiles, laptops, systems. Mostly the processors. You can observe the Intel processor will be available for some systems, right? Those are the processors. Okay. Like this. This is the Intel processor. This is the Intel processors. Mostly the laptops will be using Intel processor Gen 5, Gen 6. You know, right? You already heard about these things. But this is the heart of the laptop. If the processor will be good, the laptop process performance also very good. If otherwise, it will be not supported some applications also like i2. Those and all are low processors. Now we are using i7 also. Okay.
Yeah, core do core are very old.
Yeah. And next thing, one second, I will share the PPT. Microcontrollers. In microcontrollers in embedded systems, microcontrollers are interconnected along with the discrete devices, sensors to form the hardware part of the embedded system. The intelligence for the embedded system is the software program that is loaded into the memory of the microprocessor. Microprocessor peripherals. A handheld cell phone is a typical example of an embedded system that has central microcontroller and peripheral devices such as keyboard, display, audio, speakers. Audio, speakers. If you observe, like the microcontrollers under we have the microprocessor peripherals. Under the microprocessor peripherals, in like how the microcontrollers will be work, it will be connected to the sensors or interlocked devices. For an example, you can take an as a mobile. They mention as a keyboard, display, audio speakers. Okay, they are interconnected with the microcontrollers, and if they need to work, if display or keyboard audio speakers need to work, we need software program in the microprocessor peripherals. Okay, peripherals means that is called as the pins of the device. Pins. Pins. In the microcontroller, we have the some little pins, right? Those are the peripherals. Okay, those things we are interconnected with the microprocessor. Microprocessor has the software program, that program which is needed to communicate the devices, like for example taken as a mobile key, they are connected into the keyboard, display, audio speaker. If in case if these things will be connected in the embedded system automotive domain, it will be communicated to the CAN protocol and to the control to the dashboard, ADAS, camera systems, those under. Okay, it will be interlinked. If the code will be not available in the embedded systems, then it will be not work properly. It will be shows the it will be not show anything, and it will be not communicate anything. Okay, so that microcontrollers need software program also. Okay, and it will be interconnected with the devices sensors, like temperature sensors, tire pressure sensors. Okay, those are connected, interlinked with the microcontrollers. If it will be observe the temperature, then it will be show with respect to the software. Okay, it with respect to the software. And if in case it will be connected to the display, the microcontroller connected to the display. In the display, we need to show that 25 degrees of surrounding temperature will be there, right? These things will be happen in the with the help of microcontroller. Okay, have you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next thing,
Yes, sir.
microcontroller with microprocessor. What is a microcontroller and what is a microprocessor? Okay, if you observe this image, right, this is the microcontroller, this is the microcontroller, and this is the microprocessor. Here the microprocessor will be work every operation, like for example arithmetic logical operations, and some registers, some software storage, everything will be available in this microprocessor. Okay, in the microprocessor. But in the microcontroller, it will be like it will be loaded of microprocessor. It will be loaded of microprocessor. It will be loaded of microprocessor. Ultimately, microcontrollers and microprocessors are different ways of organizing and optimizing a computer system used on CPU. Used on CPU. While microcontrollers puts the CPU and all peripherals onto the same chip, a microprocessor houses a more powerful CPU on a single chip that connects to external peripherals. Means like microcontrollers put one CPU, but the microprocessor more powerful than the CPU on a single chip that connects to the external peripherals also. It will be connected to the other devices also. Other devices also. Okay. Microprocessor mostly using in laptops. If you observe, um, we have the multiple softwares also we can connect it, and it will be connected to the keyboard and display of the system also, and display of the system also. Okay, that is the one thing. And second thing, here it is only read the elements from the sensors. Mostly it will be read the elements from the sensor, but it will be analyze the like what we are getting right from the sensor. It will be get analyzed, and it will be give the execution also. It will be give the execution also. Okay, you're getting right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and the here IO ports means these are the input output ports. It will be connected to the sensors, But in the here it will be not available IO ports. It will be has the registers. It will be has the registers. Means it will be get the get the program. The program will be available, right? According to the program, here we for an example, if we define as a variable of temperature, it will be registered like that. Okay, but here directly we are connected with the hardware of sensor. Hardware of sensor.
So registers means like in C language we have registers, right? That one only. Like
Sorry.
no, registers means in C language, right? We have like auto, static, register, extern variables are there.
Yeah, those are the right. I told you some variables we all need to define in the registers.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what I told you an example of temperature. For an example, the temperature variable we need to define here. It will be registered under the microprocessor. Okay, but here we are connected the sensor of the IO pins, like input output connected with directly with the sensor. Okay, the temperature sensor will be connected to the IO pins, and the temperature we will get, right? It will be connected to the software, right? In the software, the register variable, the temperature variable will be connected to the some display, like some for an example, we need to display the temperature value. Then it will be displayed there. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Simply, it will be called as an it is the heart and it is the brain, like. If you can everything will be analyze it, and it will be get the elements, get the content from the, for example, get the content from the sensors. That's a small difference. Okay.
Okay.
And next thing, this is the one of the microcontroller, and this is the microprocessor. This is the microprocessor. These are the examples. And I will tell you the characteristics of the how it will be characterized, the camera functionalities and steering functionalities, and simple embedded systems examples. I will tell you at tomorrow. Okay, we'll catch up at the tomorrow at the 8:30. If you have any doubts relevant to today's classes, like relevant to conversions and difference between the microcontroller and microprocessor, do you have
Sir,
any questions?
you are providing the backup data like study data and recording videos also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Recording videos will be available for 1 year, and
Okay.
study data they will be created on WhatsApp group. After
Okay,
creation of WhatsApp group, I will be directly sharing the content everything in group only.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, sir. Okay. So
Yeah.
you are sharing on the WhatsApp only today's video.
No, no, they will give the access to you directly to mail. I think you can connect it with the Mohan. He will give the
Okay,
access to your mail. We have some server. In the
okay,
server,
okay,
every content will be available.
okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. One doubt, sir. Actually, so for a 3 years
Okay.
notice period, it's will get calls or not? That
Three
3 months
months of
notice period.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, 3 months. It might be some difficult. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, you can mention as a I'm serving at the notice, like you can mention it.
Yeah.
Like it's around 45 days. Like you can mention in the Nokari. After that, you will be get calls. You can schedule an interview. Selection process will be happen. After selection of process, you need to mention that point to the HR. They will be accept. Otherwise, you can mention I need 1 month for break, so that I need 60 days to join or 90 days to join. Like you can mention after the completion of interview. Okay,
Yeah.
3 months mostly. Some organizations will be accept. More 90% of organizations are not accepting the 90 days.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are also facing same problem, but we are explaining like this only.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, my current project, they are telling, so this month end it will be closed. So maybe if I'm getting projects or fine or else move to bench, so that time I will get like very less time. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
And you like if the project has been completed, right? Then they will be give early relief also.
Yes, yes. Yeah. If I'm in
Yeah,
bench, then they'll
yeah,
give
yeah.
me.
We need to
Yeah.
pay 1 month of salary, right?
Yeah.
If you get the offer, then you can directly discuss with the HR this point. Some HRs will be provide a variable pay or a bonus, or some HRs will be paid that 1 month of salary also.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that might better, right?
Yeah.
Sir, do you familiar with Hindi language also?
Sorry.
Do you familiar with Hindi language also? Did you
Yeah,
know the
yeah,
Hindi?
yeah. I know Hindi.
Okay, okay, sir. Because I am from Pune, uh, so
Okay.
sometimes it will be difficult to ask the question in English.
Yeah,
So
you can
that will
ask
be I
the
ask
in Hindi
Hindi.
also. It's very fine.
Okay, sir.
I will explain that also in the Hindi. Mostly
Okay,
try
sir. Okay.
to speak in English. It might be better. Like it will be easy for interview purpose also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will improve. Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Is there anything? And I
Yeah.
think
No, sir.
Mohan will be create the group at the today's end of the day or tomorrow
Okay.
morning.
Okay, sir.
And you can ask. You can directly connected with Mohan. He will be provide the recording access. How we need to access the recording videos in the server. He will explain you each and everything.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Is there anything?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Nothing, sir.
No. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
And good day.
Good night, sir.